I'm like, okay, I want to be smarter when I'm older, when I don't. I'm in that transition area.
Let's go wide!
Come on, man!
I'm so hungry. Wait, I'm not gonna lie, when that one girl was like, that's a hard one. When I was a toddler.
Let's go, Birds!
Like, what? Over there, she like called something on who it was. She like.
Someone who was just the words on the phone.
How much should I press? How much should I spend? Who should be that shit in there?
Let's go! White! Boom! Down there, wide! Let's push up! Someone hold Audrey to the three. Push up from earlier.
Yes,
I got her ass. Yeah, that's right. Jack! Come in, Jack! What? You're good. Up and downfield. Up and downfield. End zone! Up! I got it.
Touch it!
That's a great
That's
look.
my buddy!
It's a good idea.
Wait. Do it! Straight down!
Straight right down!
He said no! Hey, keep it down here, Bird!
He touched it!
Good, team.
Jago!
Oh. Jackson. Get there. Great! Pick. I can't catch up, but it was. That's your Jago! Good throw. Kevin Little! No, wait. What's the other four? Catch up. Yeah. It should be backhand. Yeah. No, I hear. Hey, Cherry! I'm hanging up because I'm like, we don't over. Yeah. Not coming, Audrey. Do it again! Break. No round. Nice Little!
Yeah, Joe!
Hey, keep it down there, Birds!
Way to work it, Birds!
Hey, Blue, second closer!
That's the best one I've ever seen, right on the corner.
No unders! No unders!
Head up! Throwing me. Great, T. Jack!
That's the first ball!
We're too deep!
That's the first ball!
Hey, Birds, it's sideline! Jack out here. I've never seen it. I think we have two. Water!
Yeah, but you don't get to take it. far as I'm concerned, it's all.
Yeah. Come on, Barrett!
Yeah, that's it. You couldn't get there, it's
Yeah. Oh yeah, let's ton of them. Let me throw you 45 yards to the other side and have you stand right here and say that it's.
I'm a hit.
I've been consistent.
It was really solid.
Like, didn't even like. They took bait.
Dude, you should ask him if it was free.
Hey, if we score here, we're popping the fuck off. Alright?
Yeah.
Come on. Everyone's popping off.
You heard him. You're the man.
Were the Uncrustables soft or were they still frozen?
They were mostly soft. The one I had had like otherwise they were soft.
So they put a couple of these.
If we score, I'm popping for
Yeah, it was just like
Me personally. If we score, it's coming out. You guys ran it game one. I'm all down. What do you mean? Liner maybe broke it. It was a good time.
who knows?
Let's go wide! Come on!
Paul wants to do something crazy. Paul, well, actually, I think it might have caught it. It might have just overheated.
Oh, okay.
It stopped somewhere during that first game. First half.
You check out.
Yeah.
We have 13.
I have broken a teammate.
Hey, make sure you're hydrating, birds.
Sparkling or not right
Pizza! Maybe I know that. Yeah, I just drank a bunch of this stuff. Sloshing around.
There.
Joey!
Active now! Nice, Lionel.
Tom, you need a cut! Work, Ladle, work! Back. Tom,
Nothing under!
Mike.
Nice, Jago. Jago! Yeah, tight now!
Let's go, Jackson!
Swing it! Swing it, Bird! Tight!
Hey, Mike, coach.
Let's go, Charles. You understand it?
Jack! Mike, coach. That's an emo!
You did it.
It's home!
45!
You left back, Joe? Oh, Joe! Oh, yeah. Hey, deep breath, boy, you got it! Hey, push off!
Tight, Bucky, tight!
Tight, Bucky, up on! Yeah!
Good pressure, Poppy!
Come on, Joe, you still here! Fingers up! Nice
Sierra. Yes, that's good. Hey, you're good, Sierra.
Under checks. Yes, go! Yeah, come on, Django!
Chrissy.
Chili.
Chrissy, not looking. Little. Yes.
Little. I made her out, I tell you.
Yeah, bite. That's a shot. In or not?
I don't know. I'm going up.
Okay.
Heads up. Gilbert!
Chris! Dylan! Steve!
Crystal!
Chuck!
Lauren!
Carla!
Electric work, Birds. That's awesome. Let's go.
Let's fucking go! Maddie! Diego!
That last one was so good.
Good shit, Tom.
Now who gets started?
I got the tip on the original
Sometimes you want. That's okay.
I thought I was going to hit the tee and he came down with it anyway.
I feel like it's really helpful for me to talk on defense, not offense. It's sometimes. Let's go! I also like.
What a point! Let's go, Birds.
I haven't been on any of these marathons.
This is completely.
That's so funny.
That's such a
That's so funny. Potty like a cock.
Yeah, that's good.
You got out of practice.
Yeah,
I practiced it once, I think.
You come to support?
I knew it was gonna cut in. Wasn't Lionel was there? Things like that.
Yeah. Hey, wait! Keep talking. This is where we need it. Keep talking. You're nerd chasing. Yeah.
6 right now.
Come on! There he is! What's up? Oh wait, no. Busy. Right here.
I don't know if
Thinking about cutting.
Let's go!
That's an easy bird.
And from that hard, in the moment I probably said.
Let you stand.
So boring.
And I was just like, no. It was crazy when you I was fine. Ari! Busy! I'm the type to make official
Aaron, take my cleats. Aaron?
I'm so excited. Sorry, she's actually going flat or something. I don't know how we're going to do it. You guys going to do it? Yeah.
Somebody faster.
Thanks, man.
So you should take the faster.
Okay, I'm slowly getting used to it. They yell a lot over there. I like constantly yelling. Hey, they're going person!
Yeah, flip the switch.
You're just on this. This is really important.
Oh my god, that's
you're wearing that? Yeah. This was a complete coincidence. I like
Burn?
I was driving.
Oh,
I had like no
shit.
lights, and I needed to be on the white for
All the W's, no matter what.
Let's go!
Aaron's gonna find his score. Foul.
That's it! Go, Flo! I just found you a good person! Go deep on the
Hey, Ollie, Sean, who do you have? You're home!
Carla! Sierra, she's punching deep.
Sierra, you're so pumped!
Sierra!
Sierra's pumped!
Hey, D.
We can just give you a new one.
Hey, I want to recognize the hope. On under. Nika, the deep. Nika, your last. The defense ball. That can make it tight. Make that thing. Jinx it up. Hey, Limbo, no deep. Nice. Good defense. Go, Carla. Let's go, Paul.
Yeah, Paul.
We did it!
Yeah!
Oh, yeah, here we go.
Hey, Ari, let's switch, baby. Come on. Let's go.
Go get him, Santi. Are you okay?
Yeah, I just don't see it.
It is. This is when you were. This is when you were your favorite.
Let me know when you're ready.
Yeah.
So what? Wow. I don't think I was there. I wanted you to go more. No, I got it. It's so straight. It's almost. I'm not sure. Maybe I looked it up in my childhood. Because I was like, wow, she's beautiful. And then I was like, wait. Yeah, I didn't say bracketing. Like, wow. Right? Right? The other girl, and then you were like here, I was back here, and then I was like going to this space. I think so. I got it. Yeah, that was clear. I was the same bracket. Yeah, so that was my bad. I was just like,
Nothing!
yeah. So like, there's one girl, right? Like you were right here, right? The other girl was there. Yeah, Audrey. Yeah, let's go, Audrey. And like there's.
Yeah! Good pressure! There we go! That's how you go! Chill it! Hey, dial it in! Sideline! Relax back, Joe! Protect the disc! You're back. On, hard. Jackson, nobody, Tira. Yeah, they're going to try and hit this over the top. Oh. Do the answer what they said. Turn it over. No! Hey, over. Do the opposite. Yes, Sierra. Nice. Oh!
Let Chen go! Yes, Mike! Jack!
Seal! Great, Chef. Yeah, Jack! Yes, Mike! No. Back roll.
What the fuck? Oh my god!
There's a way. Good work, Birds! They just threw the horn now. So we go by the horn. Okay, so it's soft tap after the horn. As soon as we're down, score it's universe. They score. That's what he said. Busy!
Stitch! Alexis! Robin! Ladle! Niche!
Let's get to work, Ben. Okay. Hera! Go get him, Eric. Hey, who wants to split sideline with me? Oh, Eric! Really? Sorry, I'm locked in. Good to see you.
We were just reminiscing about the patient. I'll never forget you because you always like,
Quickies on! Yeah, that's my bad. Wide open. Let's go, Birds!
Go, Birds!
flower powered. I mean, either way, there's one where like I tried to go wide, I was just like,
And then he was like, I had this space.
yeah, so did I.
He was on it.
And we had like I think Greg took a picture or something like that, and you could see him like completely on top of me.
Come on, defense!
All that I did. I scored on Monday. Yeah. I'm gonna be part of you 2 more times. Let's go, Birds!
Come on, Nod! Come on, Nod!
Whoa! Inside!
Yes!
Ben, nothing back, Ben.
Yeah, cut Dom!
Ben, you, Ben!
Come on, Hitler! Carla, you're
Good call!
Carla, you have back!
Josiah. I've heard the rule changes every time I talk. Yeah, all right. I think it might have been before the car. But if she's that, then she'll always connect. Oh, yeah, I agree. Yeah. So I'm just wondering if you guys are trying to say come back or not. No, it definitely goes back. Oh, that is exactly what they were saying. Okay, wow, you're on it. How many years do we all play Ultimate? 2 years. You know?
Yeah, you already said.
It was, I didn't have we adjusted fine. You guys remember to carry the two? I was like, you do not, and then I stopped moving, and then you walked through the
It doesn't.
You feel like very, I'm bad at the numbers. Trying to feel free to very nervous on it.
Down one, it's all fast.
We can't let them score. That's all that matters.
Get the score, Bird. Get the score. Come on! Let's go.
That's it. That's what I said. Come out. They're up one.
I prefer it.
How are you doing?
Rango. Mika. Maddie. Anna. Limbo. Brandon. Ari.
Hey, let's go, Birds!
We're going to fight out here. Run that past you.
It was my birthday yesterday, so it's not birthday.
It was times 7.
You were tired.
It's 9-7.
We're good. We're moving it well in. I'm not 100% convinced that was the right call.
She did stop.
Yeah, but
She gets to catch up. It's not send it back because now I didn't have a place to send it back. This is what I was trying to say was it's when it's in college, and he gave it to us too. He was like, okay, Robert, we have to keep this. But then her defender was like, oh, but I stopped, so send it back.
It's one of those things. No round, Dylan. No round, Dylan.
it, Dylan. Come on, Dylan.
But I mean, gave it back to the ladle and we ran up the field. It's just we got.
Here we go, Chuck. Got you, Chuck. Get ahead, get
Do we
ahead.
have a timeout?
I don't believe we do.
That's what I was. We are. Go around, do it. That's fine. That's fine. Nice, Donna.
Let's go, Chuck. Get there, get there.
One.
Chuck, Chuck.
That's fine.
Let's do it, Ari.
Oh, Ari's feeling it.
Give her an option.
Water, water.
Oh, it's a time. How is your summer going, different? You miss us, and you wish you were here. Yeah. Yada, yada. You guys haven't played in a tournament yet? What the hell? Is it just like not?
We only played once
You
for a
played
second.
last state tournament, right?
Yeah, that was pretty cool. Yeah. I also didn't play him. I live like 10 minutes.
Where is it? Where is it?
Yeah.
Like, it was like, this.
Last time we played in this.
You were saying, Little, why didn't you hammer it? This one time, why didn't you hammer it? It would have been better than the flag.
But they would have been.
I think honestly, I think what happens is you load off to Thunder. It's okay. Just as they were short. That's what we
I didn't know that. Yeah. Yeah, you never know, This was not what I was expecting to see. Shut up! I would tell you to your problem. What if I do anything that I tell you guys? What if
Yes, go ahead.
Wait, did they just call another one? That's +3, right? Current.
It's not a turn.
That's +3 on the stall, right?
It's +3 on the stall, yeah?
If they don't, then it's +3.
is it like a floater?
Coach is saying,
Hey, someone else with the stat sheet.
soft cap went off.
No. The cap doesn't matter anymore. They changed that rule.
Okay.
Unless the TV package says something specific.
Okay. Oh, they did have one? It's also not true.
And then did the fake effect? Oh, it should have stayed.
If it was her, that would have been
It should have stayed.
She just took it out.
You gotta call it too. Stays with. When he said it, I was like, I thought he was like, I don't see it happening. That's okay. I couldn't remember. I know we used one early on. Let's go! A lot of short amount. That is hard, but it doesn't change anything because if we score here, and then if that's at the 9, we score that one. As hard as you play 1 point, that's it, right? So they get the point. Like either you score 3 in a row or they score 'Cause they can start stalling. Turn! That is got him!
Hey, chill. Left hand high. Crystal, you stop the low one. Take a step to the right. Take a step to the right. Truck! Hey, Phil, that's okay.
Okay, Nika. Who needs a hammer? I got a blade. Please be in. Damn. Hey, hit it to that. Run, boy.
Doing it again!
All your team wins. All your team is winning.
Go.
Ari, look at
You see Crystal on the ground? What the fuck is going on?
I'm really bad at it. I don't know. Which one there should be back? Like a galaxy.
Don't do that to her.
Birds, you need one.
I know how to make it.
Birds aren't real.
It's like
Come here! Come here, got it! Come here! Do it again! Go! Yes! Ari! Ari, you're so good! Hey, Ari, see it!
Oh, you're so
Ari, go! Shoot it! Chris! Lay out.
Can you say that legs can
That's what I told him, like they're up 2, I'm like, just Let's go, Octonaughts! Lock in!
That's you, Kelly! That guy's got all you got him! I got it.
Alright, on three. 1, 2, 3. Octonaughts, you took us out of the swirl! That was an octopus.
You guys are a bunch of...
That's
You guys are a bunch of...
Bob, you got the hops! You ride it non-stop!
Let's go.
Octonaughts on three! Octonauts on three! 1, 2, 3! Octonauts!
Traitor!
We're trying out on here. Like that. Right here, we
Hey, birds! We have a game in 2 minutes and it's here. So, shove, drink, and then we're going to do a very quick huddle. We have 2 minutes. We're going to do wings at half. Wings at half. Yeah, we got a team here. That's so cute.
Hey,
Let's find some captains.
I gotta switch to battery real quick.
Okay.
Describe Wells.
Hey, Wells, can you come flip with me after you bring your water? I'm really fast.